All right, let's see how you're gonna do this. We're going to remove this side first. Take all the wood out and move it on the side and take the whole thing off. Empty the bathtub, that is the water thing for the goats, and go from there and then move that thing under there. Let's see how it goes. Already. Get to work. Let's get to work. See how beautiful it looks out here. See the peacocks? We have peacocks grazing. They like to graze in the farm, trying to find some bugs to eat, some greens and vegetables, things like that they like to eat. This is my trap for the beehive. You see how I make a trap? So I can close it to catch the wild bees. See, once I get some bees in there, you can put some lemongrass oil to attract. It's almost like a pheromone kind of thing. You can attract the bees, and the wild bees from the trees outside in the wild will try to find a new home, and then they'll find this nice cozy place. They'll go in there and make a hive, and then all I have to do is close it, and then just bring it back there and make a new hive. That's how I can make a new hive without buying any little nooks, beehive nooks. I can make my own this way. Alrighty.